MindExpress 5 has a lot of ready-to-use page sets, and you can also create your own. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a new page set. You open the menu in your portal and click on New. On the left you can see what your page set icon will look like in your portal. You can specify a name on the right, choose a colour and a picture. Here you can choose from a number of icons or choose an image from disk. Here I choose an icon and go on to the next step. Here you can choose your page type, grid or freestyle. With freestyle you have absolute freedom to create different size cells and place them anywhere on the page. With a grid page type, MindExpress automatically places the cells in a grid layout. We will be explaining the grid page type in another tutorial, so choose freestyle for now. Because of the freedom freestyle offers you, it's a good choice when creating games and storyboards. You start in the edit view. You can see this on the panel on the right. In fact, you now have an empty canvas that you can fill with cells in exactly the way you want. Click on the Add Cell button and you will see a cell appear on your page. You can select the cell and start typing, which will fill the cell. Add as many cells as you want. You can do this by clicking on the plus button in the yellow bar at the top right. You can move, enlarge, and minimize cells. You can even overlap cells. In the edit panel on the right, you will see a new category called Position. This is only shown on freestyle pages. This allows you to specify if overlapping cells are on top or below each other. If you select more than one cell, you can position them relative to each other. You can align them on the left, on the right, on top, or the bottom of each other. You can also easily set them as the same size, or just the same width or height. If you want to make a storyboard based on a photo background, go to the page settings and choose an image as background. I want to choose a photo from disk. You may see white edges on the sides of the photo. If you don't mind your picture being stretched a little, you can turn off the Maintain Aspect Ratios option to make the image fill all of the background on the page. Now you can adjust your cells according to the background image. For example, you can make them transparent and remove the label text. You can now use this freestyle storyboard to ask questions about the photo and the situation it represents.
Swim.
You can also create more complex page sets like games. The maximised game with the children playing on the street is a nice example. First they show you who to look for, and then you try to find the playing bird. Please watch our other tutorial on how to create a grid-based page.